Hi garden friends! Have you been dreaming of a beautiful cottage garden? Today I'm going to take you on a spectacular tour of a small but charming cottage garden in the Pacific Northwest. And it has whimsical garden decor, hydrangeas, hostas, ferns, shasta daisies. It's absolutely spectacular. It's just north of Seattle at my friend Sherry's, and she's done a fantastic job. So, if you're ready, let's go, shall we? There is so much in this garden that is just spectacular, but we'll start here. I just love this beautiful archway where her gate is. Coming through here, this beautiful fascia and this bench here. I think it's just so charming. Potted plants full of petunias and diamond frost euphorbia, some creeping jenny, and a small calibrachoa. More petunias here, along with a beautiful fern. This has really been well thought out, and this is a hydrangea here. Look at those blooms. And what a beautiful, beautiful fairy she's got too. Now this is just the beginning stages of what this garden tour is. And who doesn't love bird houses? And here is the entryway into the garden. Another beautiful fascia here. And a small, but very charming hellebore. And every nook and cranny has been carefully thought out with details. And this is her shade garden here. And I love the variegation on this beautiful ivy. And look at all the details along through here. Hostas and some beautiful whimsical garden decor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what's your favorite here. I hope this gives you some inspiration for what you might put together in your own garden. Here's a sparkling amethyst verbena. It's a potted plant there. Beautiful hosta and a bleeding heart. And these are called a type of primrose. And look how striking that is. These beautiful bird houses here. And she just installed this fence. And she did an absolutely beautiful job. More hostas here. And this is a speed well right here with bacopa and licorice vine. She's simply taken some window frames and attached them to the fence. And talk about details. Look at that. It's beautiful. And this is such a serene garden that it is just automatically brings calm. Look at that sheep. So charming. And here we have another hydrangea. And I really like how these rocks have lined the outside border of this beautiful garden. Beautiful. Now this is where we have another potted plant. This is a blue salvia, and this is a vivid hoopla orchid. And there's also a small plant here. Not sure of the name. This is lamium here. And this is a sedum. And in the corner here, there is some rustic charm and a little bit of sculpture to the garden. And the birds absolutely love this area. All the birds definitely enjoy this area of the garden. And we have another sheep or a lamb, along with some shasta daisies. And just over the fence here in front of the cottage are more shasta daisies, which we'll take a look at as well. And she's also got another farm animal, and it's a pig with a hosta. She has put this beautiful little area together, and this bubbling fountain is so calming. I love it. And a shasta daisy here, and another variety over here. Beautiful. And a beautiful maple tree too. And the cottage is spectacular. And stepping back here, she's got an assortment of potted plants, and grouping potted plants together is very charming. I think this grouping of pots and this bubbling fountain really are terrific. And coming through the gate here, we have a look at the cottage. The cottage is looking absolutely spectacular. And there's a variety of potted plants here. How welcoming that looks. We've got some heuchera here, or coral bells, and a beautiful hydrangea. Look at those shasta daisies. Don't you think this looks terrific? I love shasta daisies. Hostas over here. And there's also some lamium as a ground cover. A few more shasta daisies. And there's a secret sitting area back here. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this little seating area here. And it is very charming. And this secret little hiding place is so darling. And this is the other view coming through. Beautiful foxgloves that are very striking. And it looks like the daylilies are getting ready to bloom. The beautiful window boxes here and here. And a little more lamium. And there's the view of the beautiful cottage. I think Sherry's done a fabulous job with all of this. I think it looks terrific. And here's the main house here. And it's really a lovely place to sit out on the patio and just enjoy the scenery and the sounds. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I hope this has given you some inspiration for your own cottage garden today, or even your own garden. I hope you're having a great gardening day, and I'll catch you in the next one.